This is part 2 in ikea. Yes, I just ended the other one because my mom said like I can't film for so long, it will be boring for others. So I just listened to her. So every video is like 10 minutes long, okay? Okay. So, then welcome back to part 1. You have to watch part 2. No, this is part 2. You have to watch part 1 and part 2. There's no hanging monkeys. We ended like right over there, but I just made another one. It's the same day, it's the same night. It hasn't passed any minutes. What is that? Let me just put. Just wait a minute. Hello, young man. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna stop doing that. Okay, let's go see more animals. Look at that. There were sharks here before. I don't know where the sharks are. Yo, boy. Look at the whales. Look at that whale. Look at that. I'm just gonna open the whale's mouth. Just wait a minute. I opened his mouth. No, look at that. Nothing in there. There's very few stuff here, and there's many people here. Yo, look at this place. Yo, it's a chilling place. This is cool. There's up there too. I'm just sitting down here. Just chilling. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. It's okay if you don't want to. You can just enjoy the video and do nothing. But I appreciate if you do. Okay. What the heck is this for? I've seen it. It's so soft. If you want, you can just go to ikea Norway, Stavanger, and just go here. And if you live in Norway, though. Okay, let's go see here. Yo, they changed this place so beautiful. Oh, these are. No way, this is real. It is literally real. Okay. Pretty decent place. On my mobile, it looks like it's so lighted up, but reality, it's so cool and dark and beautiful at the night. This is so fun. Oh, I'm not allowed to show their face, but like, I don't know who they are. But let's go now. Oh, two shoes are uncomfortable. Då är 21 fences here. Oh, it's one of these creepy. Okay, no thank you. My man just coughed on me. Who's that? Oh, that's the one. Okay, couch. What's this? I don't know what that is, and I don't want to know what that is. Well, let's just walk around. I think I hear my brother there. Or only, I'm literally lost right now. Let's walk back and let's go see. Okay, I think I'm lost. Yo, drippy shoes. Definitely not like 100.